किसी का अब रास्ता.
Hi, Ritika, say hi.
Hi.
I mean, the trial is just a quick thing, right? I mean,
Listen what she's saying. The trial is just a
a quick thing.
quick thing. Yeah.
But it's really good.
Oh my god.
Hi, Ritika, say hi.
Hi. You'll be ready? Yes.
Should I take off? I
अभी
think
मेरी शक्ल बहुत ही अजीब आने वाली है. I swear I'm not. You're gonna wear this? We don't have gobi shade.
gobi
Nars gobi we don't have.
be better.
Hydra facial we got. Yeah, I'll see. I'll quickly check once. Light is not working somehow.
I think the room can be brighter, no?
Yeah.
There must be some light, like a master light that can be turned on.
वो बस
Can you?
Yeah, of course. I thought you were a pro.
I am. I'm not.
Okay, then I'll do that. Huh?
This is for my right eye.
For your right eye, right?
过来看一下。
So pretty. It's a sari?
Yeah, it's a sari.
Wow.
She's wearing a black one. 这个是怎样？有吧？
和你这样不要互相亮。
You like peach, right?
Uh,
Blush. Somewhere in between these two, right?
yeah. I don't know. I mean, it really depends on which one looks better with the outfit.
That way. Looks just like this. Chalo, I'll put some sprays and we're done.
Okay.
Just close your eyes. Let me show you, huh? She's gonna review. Please have a look.
Nice. It's really good.
Better from the trial makeup?
Mm-hmm.
Much better.
Yeah.
You can say, आप बोल सकते हो.
Really? I'm not. I mean, it's more like glamour.
Yeah? You want me to add something? No, not because of camera, Luna.
No, it's really. I mean, the trial is just a quick thing, right? I mean,
Listen what she's saying. The trial is just a
a quick thing.
quick thing. Yeah.
But it's really good.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, no. Good. Not the right side. And leg. And circle. But I don't need to move, right? Now turn. Okay. But I don't want much space to fill the other.